Hello there, YouTube. This is XX Blood Rain XX. People, first of all, we're going to be taking apart the Xbox, the original. And people said that this one can't get the red ring of death, but they're wrong. Give it a second.
It's already doing it. And it's been doing that ever since we received it.
Well, it's been doing that ever since we received it, but for some reason it came up with 3 red ring. With 3 red things, but for some reason it's not.
But this is how I take it apart.
But this is how you take it apart. Which is easier than taking apart, I think, taking apart the Xbox 360. This is a lot easier.
Right.
To take the frame off. First, you're going to want to take out
6
screws.
There's one here. I know.
There's one there.
There's one there, but we're missing
There's one there, but we're missing it.
There's one there.
There's one there.
One there.
There's one there, and there, and there. You want to take those out. Power drills are better. And there is going to be some hidden under the stickers. There's 2 that will be hidden under stickers. And you want to flip it over, and the top just slides right off.
And we have already taken the CD cover off.
And we have already taken the CD cover off.
But it looks like this.
It looks like this.
We think this is it.
That's not it.
No. So we don't know what it is.
We don't know what it is.
We took it off just
recently.
recently.
We took it off.
But
first, the magnet. Oh, the magnet's over there.
You take this off.
First, you have to
take out the hard drive.
You have to take out the hard drive. Unplug it.
That's the hard drive.
And that's the hard drive.
Same thing in a computer.
Same thing in a computer. Which is pretty crappy if you ask me.
Next, you're going to take out the CD drive.
Then you just take out the CD drive and unplug it from the back. Don't know if y'all can tell, but it's really dusty.
Then you take out the wires.
And take out the wires, pull them out.
Pull out the fans.
Pull out the fans, which is a little unplugged. And
the fans are attached by little bitty
screws. The fans are attached by little bitty screws. You could tell. Little bitty screws.
That's one of the fans.
That's one.
And then somehow alright. And next you want to take up this fan.
Next you want to take out the big fan.
Somehow
we can figure it out.
Alright, we'll get to that next.
We'll get to that in a minute. Then you hold up a little black thing.
And that's to get the cover off.
And that's to get the cover off.
But it doesn't want to come off. So doing this, I'll probably get my son up.
it's doing this. It'll probably mess something up. So there we go. Take that out.
That's one of the chips.
The bottom, top, side,
The chip looks like it's burned up or messed up.
That's the chip. Let it focus.
There's the other chip. Show it. Next, there are more screws.
That looks like the chip, except it's fried.
There are more chips. There are more screws.
And there's more chips.
There's screws.
It's missing one.
Screws.
There's a screw
There.
there.
Here.
There.
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 There. There. There's a bunch of screws.
There's a bunch of screws. You just have to look for them. Power's open better so you can get a lot done faster.
Wrong size. Nope, tighten. Just say remove all chips. Remove all chips.
Remove all the chips.
Remove all the screws.
I mean all the screws. Every screw that you can find, remove.
Alright. You gotta unplug this right here.
You have to unplug that
Everything from the motherboard.
and unplug everything, and I mean everything,
From
for the motherboard.
Got one. And somehow it should come out.
It's right there. Yanks. Let's take this out.
And that's the Xbox original motherboard.
And that is the Xbox, original Xbox. That's the motherboard. The original motherboard. And then there's all this writing here, which I have no clue what it does.
That's the power stuff.
I guess it's the power stuff.
Maybe that's something. Next you have the 2 remote plugins.
You should get out the 2 remote plugins, max with screws.
You have 2 more remote plugins.
You have 2 more remote plugins.
Just give it a wiggle. There's another one.
There's another one.
And there's a circuit board hidden
And there's a circuit board hidden
behind that metal plate.
behind that metal plate.
We're not going to worry about that.
We're not gonna worry about that though.
And nice.
Take those screws out for that little plate. Board.
That takes out the...
And that takes off the power.
And that is basically it.
And that's basically it. The fan, we're not really sure how that really comes out. I think you can't get the fan out.
You can.
I think it just probably pulls off.
Pops out.
Pops out.
Alright,
And
this is XX Blood Rain XX. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, favorite.